Let's take a look at this IKEA artist doll. Looks like this is made in Sweden. The height is 33 centimeters. This costs around 430 rupees or $6 or so. You get a doll that you can articulate. I heard that artists use this to get the anatomy right. This helps them draw the hands and body shape perfectly. As you can see, you can pose him in quite a few poses. He has a base to stand on. He's also supported by this rod, so you can have him in interesting poses. IKEA is selling this as a decorative product, as something you can put on your table. They will also using this to hold your ornaments, like you can put bangles on his hand and he can hold a couple of them, and he can wear few chains and hold it for you. You can even have him hold your glasses. It's a interesting looking accessory. It's a fun looking doll that's useful and quite well made. You can even have him hold few cards if you want. Quite nice. Check it out.